Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making tender-baked butternut squash that's sure to steal your heart. Start with a medium-sized squash and trim off the ends. Then cut it right down the middle. Scoop out the seeds and soft pulp from both halves. Make shallow little cuts across the surface. I just love these cross cuts. They make it look so pretty. Repeat the same with the other half. In a small bowl, pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir in 1 teaspoon of mustard. Add a touch of smoked paprika. And just a pinch of ground ginger. Sprinkle with salt to taste. Next, cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from both halves. Pour that into the bowl. Mix it all together until smooth. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Place both butternut squash halves on top. Brush them generously with the marinade. Friends, we may never meet here again, so subscribe now and I'll always be close. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius, about 400 Fahrenheit, for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, grab 300 grams of your favorite mushrooms. Chop them into medium pieces. I'm using button mushrooms today, but any kind will work beautifully. Tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I'd love to know. Now take a bunch of green onions. First, slice the white stalks. Or swap in leek, shallot, or even a regular yellow onion if you like. Then slice the green tops too. Peel 4 cloves of garlic. Chop them finely. Friends, I'd love to hear your favorite butternut squash or pumpkin recipes. Share them in the comments. It always makes me happy to discover new ideas. Next, grab 1 medium sweet pepper. Dice it into small pieces. Warm a little olive oil in a pan. Add in all the chopped vegetables. Stir well and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Season with black pepper. Add a little salt. Sprinkle in your favorite herbs Today I'm using Provençal herbs. Give it another stir. Grate in a bit of lemon zest. Mix again. Now add 80 grams of fresh spinach. Stir one last time, then remove the pan from the heat. By now, the butternut squash is perfectly baked. Brush it with a little butter, or use a vegan plant-based butter. It works perfectly. This step isn't a must, but the flavor is wonderful. Gently mash the butternut squash flesh with a fork. When it's roasted well, this is so easy to do. Take about 100 grams of feta cheese or tofu. Crumble it into little pieces. Place both butternut squash halves onto a serving plate. Spoon the sautéed mushrooms and veggies on top. Then scatter the crumbled cheese over them. For the finishing touch, chop 30 grams of walnuts, or use cashews, pecans, or pistachios instead. Sprinkle the nuts on top. Doesn't it look like the perfect dish for a cozy dinner or even a holiday table? Friends, thank you for cooking with me today. Please subscribe and give this video a like. It means the world to me. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe at home. I'll be waiting for you in the comments. See you in the next cozy recipe.